Hello everyone, this is David Felix Harris, author of Surviving the Auto Insurance Game, which can be found at autoinsurancegame.com, the most informative book ever written on auto insurance. Based on the last video, we talked about typical full coverage. And like I said before, we're going to talk about how we're going to do this like eating an elephant, one bite at a time. So what we did was we took this section right here and put it over here. We're going to summarize that real quick because this is very, very important, okay? We're going to talk about what we call no-fault insurance, financial responsibility. Every state except for 2 states in the United States, you have to have what we call financial responsibility or auto insurance. You don't have to get a full coverage policy, but you at least have to get what we call no-fault insurance, just some basic liability coverage. So this is an example of most of the state requirements. This is a minimum. I'm in the state of Pennsylvania, and this is the minimum financial responsibility or auto insurance required in order for you to drive legally in Pennsylvania. We have bodily injury, $15,000/$30,000. You probably remember that from last time. Next to it, you see NYC. NYC is not New York City. NYC is not your coverage. This is for when you hit somebody else. So just think about it. You're paying a premium every month, but part of the premium that you're paying for is not for you. It's to protect you from a lawsuit from somebody that you're responsible for damaging their car or maybe damaging them personally. Here we go again. NYC, not your coverage. Property damage. Like we said before, if you hit somebody's car, you might run into somebody's house, mistakenly run into somebody's business. That's a lot of aspects of property damage that can happen when you're driving your vehicle. Here we go again. You're spending your premium every month, but we got 2 things that you're paying for every month that protects you. But what about you? The last one, we have YC, your coverage. This is medical payments that is used to pay for your medical bills, if not just you, but you and other people in your family, other people in your car, your relatives. It could be somebody you're just giving a ride to, a church member, a co-worker. You know, you're doing a little ride share type scenario. So that would be $5,000 for each individual in the vehicle. Like I said, this is no-fault insurance, minimum requirements. A lot of times, if you're having a struggle to pay for your auto insurance, you might not be able to afford full coverage. But if you can, you have to get this. And later on, we're going to talk about ways that you can find a way for you to pay for minimum coverage, very affordable. Don't forget, out of the 3 C's, coverage, cost, and claims. So right now, we're still on that first C of coverage. Thank you very much for looking at this video, and get ready for the next one. Thank you.